It's been a year, and I have each and every one of you to thank for it. I posted my very first Bougie Nails on a Budget on May the 2nd of last year, and so happy to reach this milestone. It really couldn't be done without you, your encouragement, and most of all, your support. As this series will continue to run, I want to say thank you, and I love you guys. The photos are arranged in chronological order. The very first set of nails you saw in the beginning were actually done way before, in February of last year, when I hadn't yet thought to make Bougie Nails on a Budget a series yet. If you see anything you like and possibly missed the tutorial or wasn't subscribed yet, first, don't forget to subscribe. Remember to enjoy my Bougie Nails on a Budget playlist and consider sharing it with anyone you think might enjoy it as well. I am also so excited to announce another celebration that's approaching. I'm so thrilled to soon be reaching my goal of 1,000 subscribers. You guys have no idea. But there's also a little more watch time to be had too. And I'll be announcing a giveaway at that time. To mark this 1-year anniversary of Bougie Nails on a Budget, today's video will end with a random giveaway. But before that, there's another giveaway I'd like to announce. My Nails by Jonah. Jonah's giveaway is for when she reaches 500 subscribers, and it's sponsored by a number of businesses, so check her out and let her know I sent you in love. When I visit Jonah, I always enjoy her down-home family environment. Thank you guys so much for your love and support.